back on campus is always really special for me because I have a lot of fond memories from being at the farm and taking classes. And as an ag teacher now, bringing my students, they love to see where I had classes and they're excited, and I love to point them out and introduce them to the professors that I knew were the people, and it's just a cool full circle moment. There's engineering and there's physics and there's drones and there's surveying and there's everything else that they want to see, and I think it gives them the hands-on experience that they need to be like, oh, this isn't what I thought, or this is what I thought and I love it, and then it gives them excitement going forward.
When I was in high school, I never had an opportunity to come to an event like this where I had an opportunity to get hands-on and learn about things that might be a part of my future career path. So to be able to be here today and see these people getting this opportunity, it's really exciting to help build their future and their possible paths that they might go into.
I think it's really exciting that there's an interest and they all have really good questions, and I don't know, I like having the students around and educating people. I think that the rising popularity of this VAST program is pretty cool.
I'm hoping that they do things that they're interested in, because there's always something I tell them, there's at least 3 or 4 things that you love and that you're passionate about. But then I also hope that they challenge themselves to explore some different areas so they can come away with an understanding of, here's what other people do, but I have an understanding now of what is entailed in this job, and it's maybe more complicated than I thought, or it deserves some more respect than what I've given it. So I kind of hope for those 2 things.
It's very inspiring. It's exciting to be here today to see the new generations, people coming through. They're passionate and they're willing to learn, and they're excited to do the different activities.